everyone, my name is Andrea and this is
Brianna.
This is my little sister, and today we are coming at you with a mini Target haul. We just went shopping and we got us some drinks. I got the new pistachio frappuccino.
I got the new kiwi refresher,
But she forgot to say easy ice, and so it's like literally packed with ice. So
and it was like 3 sips and already
it's actually really good.
that's good.
For Valentine's Day, my wonderful uncle, who actually also has a YouTube channel, I will link it down below. You guys should all go ahead and check him out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button on his channel as well. He sent my sister, my mom, and I each $25 gift cards to Target. And thank you so much, Uncle Brian. I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Alright, now if you guys at home would like to see what we got from Target, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my makeup items and then I will end with the clothes. So the first thing that I got was another concealer because I've been needing one that matches me a little bit better. And this is the Maybelline Fit Me in medium, which is number 25.
Oh my gosh.
Don't they know we're filming?
I got this jumbo eye pencil in the shade Milk, and it's just all white. I just wanted to use this for like inner corner and stuff.
I used to use that jumbo eye pencil all the time in middle school for my bright blue eyeshadow. I would smack that on and then I would put my bright blue eyeshadow over it. So those are pretty good. Those have been around for quite some time and they really work. They get the job done well. The last thing for makeup that I got is actually something that I don't have in my collection right now, and I don't know why. Basically, it's a green concealer which will help to cover acne blemishes and redness, but this one is the Maybelline Cover Stick, and this one is in 195 green, and this, I want to say that they've had the same packaging on this for ages.
I got this BB cream because I was wanting a tinted moisturizer
And still give you like a natural finish kind of a thing.
Yeah, still be pretty natural. It has SPF 30 in it.
I think you chose a good color too. I think that color is really going to match her well. And she got this one in, what was it, deep?
Medium deep.
As far as clothes go, I found this sweater for only $7.97. No, $7.49, excuse me. And this was originally $24.99. And this is really cute. I like this a lot. This just looks like your basic sweater. Now, I'm not going to be putting this in the washer, and I'm certainly not going to be putting this in a dryer because it almost has like a wool-like texture, and I'm worried that that would mess up pretty bad in the washer, or I just don't want to mess it up basically. But it has like a different texture collar. It's just kind of like a something that you would find in like a beanie, or it's like it's a ribbed material. And then this is, it's a little bit different. It's unique. And then there's this, and then the sleeves are that same ribbed material. I'm excited and I'm curious to see what this will look like on.
This is the last thing that I got. It's a belt. It's like the one that I have on. The one that I have on right now is clear, but I really liked the white one. And when I saw this at Target, this was the last one left too. So I really wanted to get this.
And that's by Wild Fable too. And how much was it?
I don't know what. This was $13. Yeah, but I really liked this, and when I saw it at Target, I really wanted to get it, and it was the last one, so that was the last thing that I got.
Okay, and then my last thing that I got was a pair of jeans, and I got these for $25, and I was honestly just needing jeans, and jeans and me have a love-hate relationship, but I know because I used to work in the ready-to-wear section. I used to work in the ready-to-wear section, and I know for a fact that these fit me, so I decided to get them. These are the Universal Thread size 16 mid-rise curvy skinny, and these are short. So basically, just for us short people, it works for us. But I'm reading it and I'm like, dang it, I didn't want to get mid-rise. I wanted to get high-waisted. But it's okay. We'll just have to throw a belt on with it every day. But that's okay. Or I can return it, not that big of a deal. Because sometimes it's hard finding the size and the style that you want, because trying to find it short, your size, and then trying to find the style, like the actual style that you want, skinny, bootleg, whatever it is. So there's a lot of factors that go into trying to find jeans, and it's always the biggest disaster personally. But I hope that these work. And then we ended up getting like a bunch of snacks and things for the house. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Do feel free to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe and notification bell, and please do go ahead and check out my uncle's channel. I will link it down below. I hope you guys all have a wonderful rest of your weekend, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video. Bye guys.